Metro Police are prepared to patrol several rallies this weekend where some protesters may exercise all of their liberties.
Yeah, so they're reminding concerned Hoosiers about the rights and responsibilities of anyone carrying a gun at a protest in Indiana. Fox 59's Scarlett O'Hara breaks down how police say their officers are working to keep everyone safe.
Ahead of some planned protests around the city this weekend, IMPD wants to remind the public of their constitutional rights versus behaviors that are illegal while protesting.
No ban, no law, stay ready for all.
Anti-ICE demonstrations like this one Friday have become a regular sight, with more expected to pop up over the next few days.
We just wanted to protest against the violence that ICE has been doing, and we believe that the conditions in detainment centers are unsafe.
Center Grove students led the group on a march around Monument Circle and down Meridian Street as IMPD, state police, and Capitol Police officers kept close watch and control of traffic.
The Indy Police is just making sure that we aren't breaking any traffic violations and making sure that everyone stays on the sidewalk and safe away from any traffic.
We oftentimes have engagement with organizers before protests happen, and that's helpful for us to be aware so that we can be there to monitor, to protect the rights of those who are protesting.
Downtown District Commander Shane Foley says those planning to protest must remember that not only will their freedom of speech be protected, but the Second Amendment rights of everyone who shows up will be too, as was the case with this protester at the Circle, wearing a mask and carrying what appeared to be a rifle.
Occasionally there will be protests that involve firearms, and that is concerning to some members of the public, and so we just want to be present so that way other people know that we're there and we're aware of the situation.
Last month, after a federal officer killed Alex Preddy in Minneapolis while he lawfully possessed a gun, FBI Director Kash Patel said, quote, "You cannot bring a firearm loaded with multiple magazines to any sort of protest that you want. It's that simple." However, it's not that simple in Indiana, a permitless carry state, where police cannot stop someone from protesting simply for visibly carrying a gun, unless that person is a minor, prohibited from owning one, or pointing it in an aggressive way. Things that could get you arrested, IMPD says, are blocking the street, obstructing traffic, damaging property, harming others, or inciting violence.
We think it's important for people to be able to exercise their First Amendment right, their Second Amendment right, and do so in a free and safe way.
Power to the people!
Reporting downtown, Scarlett O'Hara, Fox 59 News.